Who's down there, Emma?
Buster and Bowser bothering me.
Why are they doing?
They're trying to smell my feet.
Why, do they stink? What do they smell like? Diarrhea feet?
That smell like pizza.
Pizza feet? Mmm.
Sauce.
Oh, look, they're smelling each other's butts. Butt sniffer.
I think Buster's eating something over there.
He's just eating your pizza. It's okay. Is that okay?
Yep.
You didn't want your pizza, right?
Yeah, make a mess.
Let's see if he ate it. Nope. I think it's all still there.
The one down on the floor.
Who's down there? Oh.
Bowser.
Bowser and Emma. And Zach's out
I
there.
think this is enough for me.
That's fine.
I don't want to make another one.
Oh my god, your hands. Oh, here.
Put them in my
Let me
mouth.
see those hands. Oh my gosh, cheese hands.
Can I have something else?
Like what?
What? Candy?
Go pick out one piece. Don't let the dogs out there, so close the door. After you eat. This little guy.
Who is that? Bowser?
It's Buster. And what about your hands? Aren't they messy?
Oh.
Gross.
Bowser! Don't you dare do this.
It's okay. Gee whiz. Yeah, just put it all into a pile, and I'll take care of it, alright? That's good. That's okay, honey. Okay, I'll do the rest. Do you need to wash your hands too?
No.
You need to go outside?
Let's go back.
Take the pups with you. Make sure they follow you. Say, come on.
Come on, Doggy.
Start walking and they'll follow you. Bowser, go.
A 2-out, 2-run single, now a stolen base is the front end of a double steal. Second and
Follow
third,
Emma.
1-1 pitch, popped up. Nothing easy.
Okay, Daddy. I got some poopy.
By the second baseman.
Want a lolly?
Yeah, baby boy.